Hello out there in YouTube and Google Plus land. I know you're saying, damn, he's back again. All right, this one, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing some wood burning in that new frame, that Lixada frame I got. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Is I'm going to be burning some wood in it and boiling some water and see how it does, and thought I'd share it with you guys. Got another video coming up here pretty soon. I did it, today is Friday. I did it last Sunday. A bunch of the guys and I get together for martial arts class, and a lot of them wanted to kind of learn how to do fires. So I was teaching them how to start a fire on their own. A couple of them didn't know how to do real well. Another one, he had a pretty good idea. He's worked at it before, but he still wanted to work some more on it, which never hurts. So anyway, I'll have that one. Unfortunately, it's going to be a long one. So let's get to this one. Hopefully it'll be short. Damn, my videos are never short. So, all right, here we go. Hang in there. This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Well, thanks for sticking around. I'm going to go ahead and get the stove set up and get some wood in it and go ahead and get it fired up and going and get some coals. So that way, hopefully this video won't be that long. So I'll be back in a minute. I think we have ignition. Okay, as you can see, let me see if I can zoom in on it. I got a boil going. It's not doing so swift the way it's made. I had to assist it quite a bit to help the wood burn, get air into it. It just doesn't draw air in. I'm gonna probably have to make 3 more holes. 3 in each side, and there's 3 sides right above the ash plate so that air will get into the fire chamber and allow the wood to burn better. So that'll be a modification I'll have to try, and then I'll come back and do this again. I got somebody over here keeping an eye on me as usual. So let me get it off of there, and I'll get some coffee put into it and enjoy my hot coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, it's getting to where it's pretty much burned out down there. There's probably some embers left. I'll have to get some water and dump on it. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy me some coffee. And the type of coffee I prefer over any other type, and get it turned around to where y'all can read it. It's that right there, Taster's Choice Hazelnut. That, and put a little sweet and low, or no, equal. That's what I like, equal. Equal I use in hot items, sweet and low I use in cold items. For some reason I found that the two dissolve different in each different item. I'm gonna probably burn my lips off drinking this. Probably should have fogged my glasses up. It's cold out here right now. It will be tomorrow evening at this time though. They're talking some winter mix coming in probably. I don't know if you can see that or not. My glasses are fogged over. Oh yeah. It's enough to where I can drink it a little bit. All right, that's going to be about it on this video. I'm going to have to make some modifications to it, let it cool back down, figure out where I need to put them, then put about 9 holes in there. Like I say, 3 on each side, and that should help it breathe a lot better. Right now it's just not breathing really well. It gets all the ash and the embers and all that on the bottom, and it doesn't allow any air through it. So put something along the side, and that should help the airflow a little bit. All right, I'll probably be getting that next video out in the next few days, because I'll be stuck inside because it's stinking ass cold tomorrow evening and tomorrow. So that's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.
I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.